Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University with CGPA 6.68 and today's date is 3 January and today's topic is array list. Array list is nothing but of the collection of framework and it is present in Java. It provides under dynamic array like Java. What is difference between array and array list? The array having the short we can store a limited array is a limited is having the limitation and array list is a dynamic memory. Since array list is a dynamic array also called as a dynamic array, we do not specify the size while the creating the size array automatically increase when the dynamically array add and remove items through the actual library implementation may be more complex. The following is very basic idea explaining the working of the array when the basic becomes the full and try to add items. Create a big size memory on heap memory, for example memory of the double size. Copying the current memory element to the new memory and new items is added. Now there is a bigger memory available. Now delete the old memory. Important is feature. Array list inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interference. Array list initialized by the size, and however the size is increased the automatically it is collection grow and also shrink with the object are remove and adding by an array list randomly access to the list. Array list cannot be used for primitive data types like int, char, and we need the wrapper class for such cases. Array list in Java can be used in the vector in C++. Array list is not synchronized, is equivalent synchronized class Java vector. It is above the illusion abstract copyright array list. Abstract sequent list are classes of that implementation list interference. A separate functionality it is implement in each of mentioned classes abstract list. This class is used implement the unmodified list for the in which need and extend the abstract list class implementation only. The get and the size method the class implementation list interference the enhance the version array list in which all the modification add set remove are the implementation by the making the fresh copy of the list. This class implements the collection of interference and the abstract collection class. This class is used to implement an unmodified list for the which needs only extend and this abstract list class implements only the get and the size method. Constructor in the array list. In order we created the array list, we need a create an object, then class and of the class, and the array list can consist the various constructor which allow the possible creation of array list. First, array list. This is a constructor which use build the array. It can be also array list and bracket and we created as a array list a is equal to new array list double bracket. This constructor is used to build an array initialization with the element from the collection. Suppose we wish to create an array list R which contain the element present in a collection C, then it created as a array list A is new array list in bracket C. Array list in capacity it is used to build array with the initialization capacity being the specified. Suppose we create an array initialization being with the n, then it can be created as a array list new array list n. Let's see we can see the which we are going to discuss further along the implementation of the every operation. Adding element in the list, changing the element, removing the element and iteration the element. Operating we can adding first see the adding the element. In order to add the element in the array list we can use simple add double bracket method. This method is overloaded to perform multiple operations based on different parameters we can see in follows. And add this method can be as element end of the array list. Add index, int index and object. This method used to add element as it in the specific number of index and specific element. After that we can changing the element by the set method, and we can use the set method as a set in bracket. We can require a index and element and what we want to change. Set method can be replace element from the new element. Third one, we can see the removing of element. In order to remove an element from the array list, we can use the remove method. This method is overloaded performing multiple operations based on the different parameters. We can see the remove an object. This method is used simply remove an object from the array list. It is are the multiple such object remove in the, we can see is the remove int index. What we want to remove from the index, we can just leave in the index. Thank you.